They say silence is empty, but silence is where the loudest lessons hide. You see, people think words are what haunt us, but that's not true. What haunts us most is the silence we never expected. They thought you'd always be there. They thought no matter how many times they pushed you away, you'd fight harder, prove your worth again and again. They thought your love was a guarantee, something they could leave, lose, and still find waiting whenever they decided to return. They walked away believing you'd chase, that you'd beg, that you'd break first. But what they never prepared for was your silence, because silence is the one thing they can't control. When you stop explaining, stop fighting, stop proving yourself, you strip away their power without even lifting a finger. They expected anger. They expected tears. They expected long paragraphs and explanations about how much they hurt you. But silence leaves them alone with something far more terrifying, their own reflection. Why silence hurts more than words. At first, they feel relief. They tell themselves, you just need space. That soon, you'll crawl back with one more apology, one more chance. But days pass, then weeks, and your silence begins to whisper things they never wanted to hear. See? The human mind can block out noise, but it can't ignore silence. Silence forces a person to sit alone with their thoughts, and that is where the real battle begins. They replay everything they said, every time they took you for granted, every time they watched you break and did nothing. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Silence is a lesson learned through life's many sufferings. Your silence is teaching them that lesson now. They thought you were weak for caring, but your silence is showing them something terrifying, that maybe you were never the weak one. Maybe they were the ones being tolerated. Maybe they were the ones who lost someone who would have loved them forever. They thought they broke you by leaving, but your silence is breaking them in ways they'll never admit, because silence creates doubt, and doubt is the slowest, most painful poison to the human mind. They start checking your social media. They reread old messages. They replay every memory, trying to find the person who once fought for them. They wanted you to chase, because chasing meant they still mattered. But the moment you go silent is the moment they realize they lost control. You're not chasing them, you're replacing them, and that realization destroys them. The hidden stages they go through, your silence doesn't break them all at once. It breaks them slowly, stage by stage. Stage 1. Relief. They convince themselves you're playing a game, that you'll be back. Their ego whispers, they always come back. Stage 2. Curiosity. Days go by, then weeks, still nothing. That's when they start checking, watching your stories, scrolling your feed, searching for any sign that you're hurting. But the most painful thing they find is nothing. No sad quotes, no cryptic messages, no proof you still care. Just silence, and the human mind hates the unknown. So, it starts inventing stories, and those stories hurt far more than any truth ever could. Stage 3. Frustration. They start testing you, liking old pictures, posting bait, showing off to make you jealous. But you don't bite, and that drives them insane. Because now, for the first time, they feel powerless. Stage 4. Fear. Fear that you're not playing games. Fear that you've really moved on. Fear that someone else now holds the place they took for granted. And then comes the final stage. Regret. They start remembering every moment you forgave them. Every time you tried to fix what they broke. Every time you stayed when you should have left. Now, those memories haunt them, not because you're still there, but because you're not. Epictetus once said, if you wish to be strong, learn to enjoy being misunderstood. That's what your silence is doing. They don't understand it, and that's what makes it so powerful. How silence reprograms. Their mind, your silence doesn't just hurt them, it reprograms them. When someone leaves, they expect your pain to orbit around them. They expect to matter. They expect proof that they were special. But silence removes that illusion. Every second you stay quiet rewrites the story they've been telling themselves. At first, they believed you'd always wait, that no matter what, you'd be there when they decided to return. But silence strips away that false safety. Every time they check their phone and see nothing, their ego cracks a little more. Their mind starts to whisper, maybe I wasn't the prize. Maybe they weren't weak. Maybe I was. And that's when everything starts to shift. Your silence becomes a mirror, reflecting the truth they've been running from. Seneca once said, "The greatest revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Your silence is not revenge. It's evolution. You're no longer trying to hurt them. You're simply showing them what life feels like without your energy. Every quiet day that passes, your value rises in their mind. Because absence magnifies worth, they'll start convincing themselves they lost someone they'll never find again, and they're right. Because the person they lost doesn't exist anymore. You've grown, you've changed, you've learned to love your peace more than their presence. How to keep your silence powerful, but silence only works if you grow in it. The hardest part isn't going silent. It's staying silent. Because the mind wants closure, the heart wants to explain, and the ego wants to be understood. But the moment you break silence just to prove a point, you give your power right back to the one who made you feel powerless. So instead, use your silence as soil. Rebuild yourself in it. Start working out, start journaling, start rediscovering the version of yourself that existed before they convinced you that you weren't enough. Every morning you choose self-discipline over self-pity. You're silently saying, "I'm not coming back." Every time you heal a piece of yourself, you're proving their absence isn't your weakness, it's your opportunity. Don't just disappear, transform. Let your silence become the glow that blinds them. Let them watch from a distance while you become the person they never thought you could be without them. Because what will break them the most isn't your silence, it's the life you're building inside it. Zeno of Citium once said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." Your silence is teaching them louder than any words ever could, that you're no longer seeking validation from someone who couldn't even see your value when they had you. This isn't about punishment, it's about protection. Every second you remain silent, you're teaching them what your presence once gave for free: peace, patience, and understanding. Now they have to live without it. When will they break? They'll break the moment they realize you're not waiting anymore, not when they see you're silent, but when they understand your silence isn't a reaction. It's a decision. It won't happen overnight, not in a week, not even a month. It'll happen the moment the version of you who begged, cried, and pleaded becomes a memory they can't touch. They'll scroll through your old messages at 2 a.m., searching for the version of you who used to fight to be heard. They'll replay conversations where you tried to save what was already dying, and they'll wonder how the person who once gave them everything suddenly gave them nothing. They'll break when they realize you're not angry, you're not bitter, you're not blocking them to prove a point, you're not posting sad quotes or trying to make them jealous. You're simply gone. Nothing haunts the human mind more than someone who could have given everything, but chose to give nothing. Some will break in weeks, others in months. But it doesn't matter, because by the time they finally reach out, the person they're reaching for no longer exists. The old you, the one who begged, cried, explained, has evolved. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Your silence isn't revenge, it's rebirth." They'll break when they realize you're not holding back your words. You're holding back your access, and no amount of regret will ever unlock that door again. So let them wonder, let them regret, let them feel your absence, because your silence is the loudest message you'll ever send. If you're choosing your peace over chaos, your self-worth over chasing, comment below, "I choose myself." And remember this, the most powerful response you'll ever give is nothing at all, because sometimes silence isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of your freedom. If this video resonated you, please hit like and subscribe to Stoic Tide for more insights.